Samajwadi Party continues to strike a defiant note on the suspension of IAS officer Durga Shakti Nagpal. And unfazed Akhilesh Yadav went as far as likening the suspension to a parent reprimanding their child while defending the charge sheet that has been filed against her. And even as a brazen SP denies any instances of illegal mining in the state, Times Now investigation shows how mining is on in the state despite a ban, exposing all their lies. But for how long can an honest IAS officer be caught in the political crossfire?
With Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav openly justifying the suspension of IAS officer Durga Shakti Nagpal, the attitude of UP government officials is becoming even more brazen.
No occasion was any message passed to her not to act against the mafia, not to act against the sand mafias. She was continuing that. She was serving notices after notices without any intervention.
But despite the bizarre justifications by the Akhilesh government, political support for the honest officer is swelling.
What better it could be for an officer if there is an illegal construction happening and goes and convinces the villagers themselves to do a demolition willingly. I think you should be applauding that officer.
Even as an honest bureaucrat is being victimized in Uttar Pradesh, the centre is adopting a wait-and-watch policy, an approach supported by the Congress.
We respect that there has to be given that space for the respective state government to put its act together. Because if Prime Minister intervened at this point on this particular case, everyone would have been screaming about their supposed federal rights.
Yet the Samajwadi Party has turned aggressive, even saying that if Delhi wants, it can recall all the IAS officers from Uttar Pradesh.
While the Akhilesh government continues to claim it as an administrative decision justifying the suspension order, the issue has clearly boiled down into a standoff between the state and the centre, Congress and the Samajwadi Party.
But amidst the political posturing, a young, bright bureaucrat seems to have been caught in a situation that was cynically orchestrated by local SP leaders.
We know about it not just in Uttar Pradesh, but we know about it all over the country, that the politician really holds a rod over the bureaucrat and uses the bureaucrat as his tool to get his job done. And unfortunately, too many bureaucrats also play that game.
It's a moment that could prove a turning point for Akhilesh. Either he can admit his government's mistake and cut his losses by revoking Durga's suspension, or else UP's young Chief Minister risks becoming a pawn in the hands of SP's old guard. Bureau Report, Times Now.